how to change a Facebook font size. So I will be showing you two methods on how to do that. First, you just have to tap your profile at the top right corner and you will see this display and accessibility. And as you can see this compact mode right here. So as you can see, if you read this to make it a little bit, or smaller font, then all you have to do is to click this on right here and the change happens right away. So this is how you basically change the font size into smaller if you think that the font of Facebook is too big for you. So you can go to display and accessibility and then tap this one on, and that's how you basically change the font size here. That's the first method. Now the second method here is what you're going to do is you just have to click this three dots at the top right corner, and then on the three dots, you have to scroll down till you see the zoom feature or option. And obviously, if you tap zoom right here, if you want to increase or if you want the size to be bigger, then all you have to do is to click this plus icon right here. And as you can see, it's, changing into bigger font size. This is what it looks like. So you see it's much clearer for you. And if you want to, change this to smaller, then you just have to go to three dots, go to zoom again, and then tap this, decrease or minus icon right here. And that's how you make the pictures or even everything here smaller, including the fonts. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you think that it's too much or just very small or little font for you, then you can go back, tap the three dots again, and then put the zoom into normal. So you have to click the plus icon again to make it bigger or to make the font size put into normal. So yeah, that's it. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, this is just the few methods on how to change the font size here on your Facebook page or Facebook account. So first you just have to click your Facebook account or picture and then tap this. Okay, display and accessibility. And the second option is tap the three dots and then go to zoom feature option and then change by tapping this minus icon or plus icon right here. Good thing that you can just put everything into normal or set back everything into normal. So basically, that's how you easily change a Facebook font size. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.